Hello everybody! This is the new sound for this week. The sound ow. Can you repeat with me? Ow. Ow. Excellent. Okay, look at this picture. In the picture we can see someone sewing, okay? And sometimes when we are sewing, we prick our fingers. Ouch! Ouch! So that is the action for this sound. Imagine that this finger is a needle and we prick our thumb. Ow! 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 Yes? Do it with me. Ow! 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 Excellent! Okay, now listen to the song.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Fantastic! What else can we do now? We can think of words with the sound ow. I've got some examples for you. Are you ready? Yes! Words with the sound ow. Oh, what is this? It is my mouth. Well done. Mouth. Let's see sound by sound. Sound number 1. Sound number 2. Ow. And sound number 3. Remember, 2 letters, 1 sound. Ow. Mouth. Next one. Oh, this is out. Out. 2 sounds. Sound number 1, ow. Sound number 2, t. Out. Out. Well done. Next one. What are we doing with our fingers? We count. Excellent. Count. 4 sounds. Sound number 1, k. Sound number 2, ow. Sound number 3, and sound number 4, t. K, ow, t. Count. And the last one, cloud. Yes, it is a cloud. Sound number 1, k. Sound number 2, sound number 3, ow. And sound number 4, d. K, out. Cloud. Well done, chicos. See you soon.